Hey there, kids. Today, we're going to talk about a fruit that's small, bright, and super sweet, the cherry. Have you ever tasted a juicy, red cherry? It's not just delicious, it's also packed with nutrients that are amazing for your body. Let's find out why cherries are a fantastic snack. First of all, cherries are full of vitamin C. This vitamin is super important for keeping your immune system strong, so your body can fight off colds and infections. Eating cherries helps protect you from getting sick and keeps you feeling healthy and energized. Just a handful of cherries can give you a nice boost of vitamin C. Cherries are also loaded with antioxidants, especially a powerful one called anthocyanin. This antioxidant helps protect your body's cells from damage, keeping you healthy from the inside out. It also helps reduce inflammation, which can keep your muscles and joints feeling good. So, cherries are like little protectors for your body. Another cool thing about cherries is that they contain a natural substance called melatonin. Melatonin helps your body know when it's time to rest and sleep. So, if you ever have trouble falling asleep, having some cherries might help you get a good night's rest. They're like a tasty little sleep helper. Cherries are also great for your heart. They contain potassium, which helps keep your blood pressure in check and supports a healthy heartbeat. By eating cherries, you're taking care of your heart and making sure it stays strong. And did you know cherries are a good source of fiber? Fiber keeps your digestive system running smoothly, helping food move through your tummy in the right way. Eating cherries can help keep your stomach happy and feeling comfortable. So, kids, the next time you snack on cherries, remember all the amazing things they're doing for your body. Cherries aren't just tasty, they're a super snack that helps your immune system, heart, tummy, and even helps you sleep. Enjoy your cherries, and stay healthy. See you next time.